Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson number 1, Introduction. This course is for those who know how to recite the Quran but do not know the right way to recite it. That is, with Tajweed. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran as per the makharij and sifat of the letters and the rules of recitation. These rules occur on every page, in fact in every line. Therefore, it is necessary to learn Tajweed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this Quran through Jibreel alayhi salam to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So we should recite the Quran the way the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam recited. Tajweed helps us to do it. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "He who does not recite the Quran in a pleasant tone is not a fuzz." That's a very serious warning. However, reciting in pleasant tone is not enough if you have problems in makharij, problems in sifat, and problems in other rules. Let's see them one by one. Problems in makharij. Wallahu alimun. If you recite very beautifully, but if you say Wallahu alimun, it means Allah is painful, because alim means all-knowing and alim means painful. Astaghfirullah. Problems in sifat. For example, if somebody says Allahu Akbar, that is not right. It should be Allahu Akbar, the Arabic way. Problems in rules. For example, if somebody recites Khalaqna as Khalaqna, that's a disaster, because Khalaqna means we created, and Khalaqna, those women created. We recite with mistakes because of improper learning, or because our mother tongue effects are carried into Arabic. For example, Urdu speakers reciting like Urdu, or no exposure to Tajweed. The objectives of this course are to help you to recite the Quran correctly, that is with Tajweed, to teach you the main rules of Tajweed, including their importance and the possible logic behind it, and to practice these rules on frequently occurring words, a total of 350 words from all the lessons that occur 40,000 times in the Quran, mashallah, and to give you practical tips on how to implement these rules. Inshallah, reading correctly will inspire a joy and fervor in you and will make you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Can you learn Tajweed in such a short time? In fact, it takes months to master it, but this course will give you the basics, introduce you to the main rules, and guide you to implement these rules in simple and effective ways. So it is a simple, easy and short course. Alhamdulillah. In just 3-minute clips, we will complete this whole course, inshallah. So don't let shaitan tell you that you are busy. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.